Okay, a tourist looks out from the crown of the Statue of Liberty approximately 250 feet above the ground. Here is my Statue of Liberty. This is her. This is her flowing dress. This is her arm with the book that says, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free." You might not know what's on the base of or on the Statue of Liberty, but okay, that's the Statue of Liberty, and you can actually um, be up in the crown. She is much more elegant than I've made her, and you can see why I use screenshots of other images often. Okay, but regardless of my artistry here, um, this person is in the crown, and it is 250 feet to the ground. Okay, and that tourist sees a ship coming into the harbor and measures the angle of depression. So if they were looking straight forward, from horizontal and looked down to see the ship. Here is the ship down here. I know, ridiculous, right? This angle of depression in here is 18 degrees. Find the distance from the base of the statue to the ship, to the nearest foot. So what we're looking for is this distance right in there, and we'll call that x. And you should know that because of alternate interior angles are congruent, this is also 18 degrees. And so now we've got a triangle where, based on that 18-degree angle, which sides are we talking about? We're talking about the opposite side across from it and the adjacent side right next to it, but not the hypotenuse. Opposite and adjacent uses tangent. So we're going to say the, and I'm going to get rid of this line here too, just a little bit so you can use it to work. Okay. We then say the tangent of 18 degrees equals the opposite, 250, over the adjacent, x. And remember our little hack, right? How do we deal with this? Well, the hack is this. We can switch the position of these two to have an equivalent expression of x equals 250 divided by the tangent of 18 degrees. And that's handy because we want to isolate the variable, and otherwise it's a little bit tricky to do it. So now we type into our calculator 250 divided by tangent of 18 degrees, and we find that it is 769. Let's put a approximately equals here. Oh my gosh, sorry. It's glitching out. Approximately equal to 769 point, oh, and they say to the nearest foot, so it says 0.4, that doesn't round up. That drops off without changing the 9. So 769, and what was the units? The units was feet. And so that becomes our answer. And is there anything else I need to mention about this? I don't think so. It's a pretty straightforward problem once you finally set it. I will say this though, regardless of whatever it is that your artistic skills are, as you can see mine, um, either way, make a sketch. It's going to be the best way for you to visually kind of capture what's going on.